Pisces, thank you so much for being here. This is going to be your November love reading for Sun, Moon and Rising signs of Pisces. Thank you for your support, your likes and shares. And please also comment. Let's get started and see what is there for you for the month of November. Okay, that's too many cards. I'm going to do it again. So 7 of Swords. Eight of Pentacles reverse. Wheel of Fortune. Let's take these cards. 9 of Wands. The Sun. The 7 of Pentacles. And 2 of Pentacles. And at the bottom you got the Lovers. So let's see, Pisces, what's happening. So someone here is very manipulative, trying to walk away. For some, this might be a person who might be, if it's a past person, they're trying to come into your life, but this is a very manipulative person. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Whoever this is, or even a water sign, it could be. But I don't see water sign here much. So whatever it is, this person is trying to be back in your life. It could be an ex, so just be careful. They're not really coming to fix things. They're not working very hard. But this might come very fast for you, you know. But you're very defensive because you know that you're not going to get what you want, my lovely Pisces. So you're not giving them a chance here. You have decided what to do. So you have made a decision with this person. Even if it's a new love and you find them, you know, you might know something about this person for some, so you're very careful and you have made your own mind. But you're somehow waiting patiently for things to happen. You still want a happiness, a sun here, so you want, you know, a start with someone. You are looking for some kind of relationship, but maybe not this person. So this is only for people who have already someone known to you from the ex. If it's coming back, then be careful. For the others, I just see that you might be the person who is secretly leaving, or you are very defensive. You might be comparing relationship from the past, and because of that you might be losing relationship when you can be the sun and invite relationship. That's also a decision to make. It could be also a Gemini here. But there is a twin flame connection or a relationship where decisions have to be made. As I mentioned before, if it is a past relationship, you are careful. You have made a decision here and you're very defensive about it, but you're doing it very quietly and you're very patient about it. For the others, just be careful. Don't compare your relationship with your past. And, you know, if there is someone nice who's coming to you, you know, I don't see any cards of that, but if it is happening, just give them a chance, because you might be the one who's just walking away because you don't want a relationship and you're happy where you are. So let's see what the Doreen Virtue says for this one. Okay, all these fells. So there is a person here which you might be thinking this could be the one, or they might be thinking. So they might be different from you as well. So there might be a new relationship coming. It is a true love, at least by one side. Someone here loves a person very truly. It could be you. Give the relationship a chance, it says, for some. And there is some career and finance which is interfering in a relationship. So there might be a relationship here where there is a person who loves you truly as well, and they want to give a relationship a chance, and you might be the one who's not interested and you're just walking away because you've been wounded in the past. You don't want to give a chance. But there is also a sexual attraction here, or physical attraction here with the person here as well, for some of my Pisces. Now let's see what the Lenormand says. That's too many cards. Let me put all of that back. Let's take these. So there is a strong male connection here with, you know, very rooted connection, very strong connection, mature man who might be happy to provide you. This could be you as well if you're a male or a female, doesn't matter. It could be you who wants to give that strong connection. But there is something new or a strong connection there for you, Pisces, with a nice man here, or a matured man, I should say. And I'll take this card. It's a ring here. So for some, there is a commitment coming for you, or this might be going in circles if it's an ex coming, but you are very strong. You are very strongly bonded, or there is a connection, and it might go in circles. For the others, there is a good communication and a commitment is coming with this person. And there might be gossip around you, someone trying to, talk about you. So dismiss that, because people are always there to, talk about other people. So don't get involved in that, and also don't give space for it. Now let's see what's the personality they're going to present during this time for my lovely Pisces. These as well. So conflicted relationship. So for some, it is a very conflicted one. Between both of you, there is always conflicts and difficult relationship. This could be the one I was talking before about, that you're trying to walk away if it's a past, or this person, or they might find you difficult as well, and it's always not working for you. There is also a depressed person. It could be you or the other person. Someone here is sad that the relationship is not working, or they might suffer from depression as well for some. Someone here is a bit sad during this time in this relationship. Opposite attract, you might be going with someone who is definitely different from you. There might be, someone that you don't expect to be your partner is interested in you. Impatient person, someone here is very impatient about a relationship. So if you're in a new relationship, make sure that you give enough time to make sure that they are the genuine person here. Someone here is also very devious. So, they might find you that way, or it could be you finding them. So be careful, and dealing with someone who suddenly comes, someone who's different. They could be a very difficult person, with the personality, and it could be a difficult relationship therefore, and it can be a conflicted one. So be careful with this person and go slow. Let's see what else is there for you. Butterfly. So there is some transformation happening in a relationship. You might suddenly meet someone nice or someone new here, or an old relationship can evolve into the next phase here for some, and healing and a new beginning can come for some of you in a relationship as well. I'll take this one. Key in a ring, that means you have a lot of options, so they do. So this is about many options, decision, and one night stand and strength. So it is like you having a lot of choices to make in a relationship here, or they do for some. So that's why you need to go slow. Someone who might be involved with many people just dating, and you might be involved with someone with the one night stand. So it's asking you to just date and have coffee and get to know a person, just meeting and having conversation, and at this stage, because you have to go a bit slow, Pisces, with this person if it is a new relationship. Now let's see what your advice is here. So you got acceptance is the key to the inner peace. At times we must accept things as they are. There is no point trying to change that which is beyond our control. So try to accept them as they are, because they're never going to change, especially if a past is coming back and you think they have changed and you're going to accept. That's not going to be right. You can only take them back if you are ready to take them the way they were before, because they're not going to change, Pisces, and they might feel the same about you. The next card you have is look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is deep as an ocean. Someone here loves you very much. So this could be a new love, or you might have a secret admirer. Someone here loves you deeply, my lovely Pisces. Let there be closeness between you, but always give each other space. Love never claims, it is simply allows and gives. So make sure that you're not very clingy to them, or they are not to you. because there is a relationship here. Someone is overdoing it and obsessed, which can spoil a relationship. So make sure you have the space in between you two for a relationship to work. And it says, look inside yourself, examine what is causing you to feel this way. Sometimes you need to reflect on yourself to see why you're feeling this way. If it is feeling you to be unhappy, then you don't deserve to stay in that place, my lovely Pisces. Especially if someone is coming, but you need to accept. Make sure you make yourself happy first before you make others happy. That's what I have for you, my lovely Pisces. Take care. Bye for now.